Hi everybody, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the broomstick scarf and it's a free pattern. The third part of the pattern is in the description below and then links to parts 1 and 2 if you missed them so you can go get the full pattern. But we're finishing off this pattern with the edging. It's a 2 round edging. So we're going to start on the straight flat edge that's not increased. So the increase is on the one side and then you worked evenly or straight on the other side. So we are doing a single crochet, and I'm going to use contrasting colors so that you can see it better. We're going to use single crochet in the very tip of the scarf and chain 4 and then single crochet in the next single crochet. So we're joining with a single crochet in the very point and then chaining 4, and this whole first round is this hip hopscotching, skipping, single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then working in the side of the eyelets, as it were. The broomstick eyes, we're single crocheting, then we're chaining 4, skipping a whole eye, a whole set, a whole eye, and in the next single crochet we are single crocheting. So you'll do this basically all the way around. Make sure you read the instructions in the description below. When we get to the point, the next point, we're going to do a single crochet, chain 4, single crochet at the point, and at the apex, or like the point when you like start increasing and decreasing, we'll place 1 single crochet, chain 4, single crochet in that spot there where the triangle happens. So it's like increase to here and then begin decreasing. So in this spot, we will single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, but all the rest of the way around, it's this hopscotch skipping, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet along. Now the second round, so that would be here. That's what the first round of edging is going to look like. And then the next round of edging, I'm going to go ahead and use some green. We are going to single crochet, double crochet, picot, double crochet, all in the chain 4 space. So that is what is happening even on the pointy far ends of the wingtips of this pattern. That is the item, the little grouping that is going to happen in the chain 4 space. So let's do that together. So when we're on round 2, we're going to, and you can do all the same color, you can do different colors, totally up to you, but all in that chain 4 space, we're going to double crochet, then chain 1, 2, 3, the picot for this pattern is to half double crochet in the third chain from the hook, and then double crochet, all in the same chain 4 looping space. And so this is what the second round of the edging is going to look like. It's got this grouping in each of the chain 4 spaces. So that is really it. You totally can do this. Please leave a like or subscribe if you've liked this series and you like free patterns. I hope that you have found that this pattern is a relaxing and valuable use of your time. I know I've really enjoyed it. I'm going to go back and do the edging all in the green on top of my black and green version of this broomstick scarf, and I will see you on the next video.